In today's video, I'm going to share with you an incredibly easy way to make money on Instagram. And realistically, if you can spend as little as 5 minutes a day, you can get this up and running. So please make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll show you exactly step by step how this works. And I'll actually show you people who are actually going ahead and implementing what you're going to learn in this video. And this is only one way that you can do this method. I'll drop a link below to this blog article here for you. You can go ahead and check this out because, as I've mentioned, I'm going to show you how you can do this method with Instagram. You can do this on many more platforms. You can do it on Pinterest, Quora, and many more. Inside of this blog article, there's lots of information in here for you. But today we're going to focus over on Instagram. So I'll drop a link to this below for you. Go ahead and check it out. So what do you need for this method? Well, really quickly, first of all, obviously we'll need an Instagram account. So we'll go over to Instagram, create an account for free. Very simple. Step 2 is decide on a niche or a category, and how we're going to make money with this method. It is known as affiliate marketing. And look, this is honestly, it is so simple to do. I'll show you how this process works. So we'll go over here. For this method, we're going to use a platform called Clickbank. This is where you can find thousands of products in any category or any niche. So on the left hand side here, you go over to the marketplace. On the left hand side, you've got all of these categories and niches, and if you click on any of these, you can go ahead and have a look at this in a bit more, in depth. So we'll go into animal care and products. Now you can see on here, it's currently sorted all of these results out via the rank. So this one here, brain training for dogs. The average conversion for this product is $31.78. If I click on here, this shows you this sales page. So basically, if you was an affiliate for this product, this is whereby you would be sending the traffic to. So I'm going to click on there and I'll show you the sales page. So this is the sales page. Come down here. So you send anyone over here and you can earn a commission. Pretty straightforward and simple. If I go back over here, if I click on promote, I then click on generate hop link, but look at this here, I can earn 75% commission for this. So if I click on there, look, that there is my affiliate link. Straightforward, I think you'll agree. So I've got an affiliate product for this brain training for dogs. If I also click on the affiliate page, it will then open up this here. This will tell you everything you need to know about the product that you're essentially going to be promoting and sharing. And you can find lots more of information on here. You can come down here, look, you can get banners, giveaways, and lots more. But we're going to stay with really simple stuff. So we've got this product over here. We've got our link that we're going to promote, and we've got our Instagram account. So how does this method work? So in this example here, we've got brain training for dogs. So let's go over to Instagram, and we're just going to type in, look, see this one here, dog training now. But I literally come across this because I just typed in dog training on Instagram, and I saw this account here, and look, there's many more, but this was the first one I came across. And what are they doing? So this page here, they've uploaded 935 posts. Scroll down the page here, what are they sharing? Well, look, they're sharing images. Look, one here, one here, one here. And then now and again, they will go ahead and they'll upload a video. Now, in terms of these videos here, you can go and download these from TikTok. You can even go onto free stock websites like Pexels and Pixabay and many more. Just go on here and type in, look, free stock videos. Come over to this website, any of these. So let's just click on here and we will type in dogs. Click on go. And then look, I can download that video. I can download all of these videos here. So I've got my videos, I then upload them onto Instagram. Pretty straightforward. And this is exactly what this page here is doing. They're just uploading these images and videos onto Instagram, and they're driving traffic to this product here. So you see on here, it's saying linktree.dogtraining. If I click on there, it's sending them over to this page here. So if I click, look, how to house train and potty train any dog training. So if I click on here, it opens up in a new tab. Where's it sending me to? It's sending me over to this product, as you can see over here, on Clickbank. So anyone who lands on this page here, they click on this dog training up here, they go over to the sales page, they purchase the product, and guess what? They're earning an affiliate commission. Let me just click on this one here, see where this is sending me to. This looks like, yeah, look, again, another Clickbank product. So someone's actually doing this method, what I'm sharing with you today. It's really straightforward. Decide on a niche or a category, find a product that you want to promote, and start uploading content. It's genuinely simple, and this will not take you long. The hardest part will be deciding on a product you want to promote, And then once you've done that, you just go ahead and upload these images and also, these videos here. This is just one example for you. Let me share another example for you. So we'll just go woodworking, and we'll search this one in here. Look, woodworking lovers. Let's just go into the first one we found. Come down here. So look, this website, this Instagram account here, they're uploading images and videos onto Instagram, where they're sending people. What is that? Gear Bombard. Let's see where they're sending people to. So they're sending people, in this example, over to a website. But I want to find if somebody is going ahead and sending people over to a Clickbank product, because I can guarantee they will be doing. Let's just go ahead and let's just clear all. Oh yeah, let's just clear all. Let's go into Instagram again. Type in woodworking. Let's just find one. That's it. I'm going to go into there. And we're going to scroll down here. Let's just find one. See if this is one. Alpha Woodworker. Is he sending people over to? Where is he sending people? So in this example here, look, he's sending them over to a product here. Let's go back and find another one. But this whole concept, as you can see, it genuinely isn't that hard. Woodwork. Let's type in woodwork. Woodwork craft. Let's have a look at this one. Well, this page, bizarrely, they're not sending people anywhere. So let's just go back. I'm going to type in woodwork again. And go over here, type in woodwork. And the reason why I'm typing in woodwork is because I know for a fact that there's a product over on Clickbank which does very well. Scroll down here, let's just see if we can find one. That's the same guy. Come down here, let me just see. No. This example here is not working out too good. Woodwork. Oh, I know what I'm typing. I'm going to type in woodworking plans. Woodworking plan idea. Let's have a look at this page here. Let's click on here, look. What's this page doing here? 1,058 posts, 94,000 followers. Scroll down, look, image of woodwork. Literally, it's all they're doing. They're uploading these images here, where they're sending people to. If I click on here, they're sending people over to. See this up here? Scroll down here, look. I want access to this product, and I know for a fact this is going to be, yeah, as you can see up here, look, Clickbank, Ted's Woodworking. So if I go back over on to, well, I've got a lot of tabs open here. Let me close this one, close this one, close this one. Sorry, I've got so many tabs open, it's ridiculous. Where's it gone? Let me get rid of that one there. Let me get rid of that one there. And we'll go back over to, it's gone. Oh no, it's here, sorry, it's over here, Clickbank. Let's just type in let's just type in woodworking. Go into here, look. Come down here. Let's filter this. Look, there it is. Ted's Woodworking, the highest converting woodworking site on the internet. This one here, average conversion of $64. And again, someone's doing this exact same method. Literally uploading these images that they're finding on, free stock sites, and they're just sharing them daily over on Instagram. It's pretty straightforward. Now let me give you one other tip for this method. So you see down here whereby they're including this link here. It's like a custom link. Well, you can include a shortened link in here. So if you were just wanting to promote one product over on Clickbank, so an example is, let's just go back over onto Clickbank. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Sorry. Let's go over here. If I wanted to promote this Ted's Woodworking, I'd click on promote. Click on generate hop link. I'm going to copy that link there. So instead of putting this long, ugly link here, over on here, you can do a couple of things. The first one is you can go over to this website here, which is called, let me go into this one for you now. It's this one here, it's called Linktree, and it's free. So you go over here, look, the only link you'll ever need, get started for free, and you can go ahead and put your links like this, and then you will get a Linktree URL, like the one we looked at over here, sorry. This dog training one. So if I go back over here and I type in dog training, go over here. See, they've got this Linktree.dog training. That's literally a free link, and on here you can put in as many affiliate links down below as you want. So that's just one simple way that you can do this. Another link shortener you can use is one called bit.ly. I'll quickly show you that now. So you just go over here and type in bit.ly, go over here, and then you create a link, and it's again, look, you can see I've got a free account. Just create a link for free inside of here. So all you do here is you click on there and you click paste long URL. So you put your URL in there. Down here you click on generate, and then look, you've got a shortened link. So this link here you can include in your Instagram bio, or you can even customize it if you really want to. But look, that is pretty much the simple method for making money on Instagram. Go ahead, find an affiliate product, and then all you do is you upload images and videos related to that product on Instagram. It's straightforward, it's simple, and look, this is just one way. This article over here, how lots of ordinary people are making thousands sharing products, I'll show you how to do this with TikTok, with YouTube, and many more. But look, I hope you found that video useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.